My name is Jessica. I own Jessica Hair Extension Salon, and Ebby Style had did my black ceilings in the salon. Ebby Style's experience was excellent. It was on time, it looks beautiful, and we get a lot of compliments. They were very responsible, they were very professional, and I enjoy working with them. A lot of people don't know about the stretch ceiling, so every person that comes into the salon or my home, because I do have it at home as well, had been complimenting the different and the shininess, and that it makes the walls actually look taller. I would definitely recommend Ebby Style. I love their work, they're super clean. I will definitely recommend them to friends and family. They are just very professional and the ceiling's super cool.